Ang tagal nyo na pala dyan, sir, sa ano, sa Korea. Nag-asawa ka ba ng Korean? That's good. Ah, okay. Ano pong work nyo dyan, sir? Pwede ka ba mag-citizen dyan? Or hindi? Parang ano lang. Trabaho lang, kontrata-kontrata. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much. Residential. Ah, kumbaga resident ka. Ah, okay. Ganon din dito sa akin sa Bahrain. Resident. Then ang work is open contract. Yes, Mike. He said he's near in Angeles. There is Angeles City, Angeles City. Then Clark, Pampanga, there is international airport there. Yeah, it's near to this Air Force base, yes. It's all in one place. Alarm Master Fishing is currently now in Korea for 20 years, but originally from near Angeles, Pampanga. You know the history there. Good for you. I think you really love Philippines, even the history you know about it. You are really a good reader, huh? You love to search. I think you should learn also Tagalog, Mike. At least Tagalog. Sure, sir. Alarm Master Fishing, thank you so much. Ay, matagal na po ako matagal na yata ako nakasubscribe sa'yo, sir. Thank you. God bless po. What you mean there is another YouTube? No, this Alarm Master Fishing. I visit his channel. But I already subscribed to him. I don't know actually. I cannot remember.